Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this example on set theory. An example says, let P equals 1, 2, 3 and Q equals this set of numbers. R also equals this set of numbers. Our question wants us to determine P minus Q intercept R. Now, I think the best way to approach this is to start with P minus Q. Now, what is P minus Q? P minus Q refers to every item that is in P and not in Q. Now, don't make the mistake of taking it the other way around, of taking items that are in Q and not in P. No, but items that are in P are not in Q. Now, the first item, 1 is in P. Is 1 in Q? No, 1 is not in Q. So, we'll take 1. Second item, 2 is in P and 2 is in Q. We'll leave 2. U is in P and U is in Q. V is in P and V is in Q. W is in P and W is in Q. X is in P and X is not in Q. So I'll pick X again, then I'll close my bracket. Don't make a mistake of including items like 3 that are in Q and not in P, or 5 and 6. Don't make that mistake. Now we take the last phase, which says P minus Q, bracket close, intersect R. Intersect R means items that are in P minus Q and also in R. Now P minus Q, I have 1. I don't have 1 in R. P minus Q, I have X, and I have X also in R. So my final solution will be given as what? As X. This simple, but you must be careful. In case you need further lessons on set, I have included a link to our comprehensive lesson on set theory.